aside, and I thought I would give them a tour of our campus and show them some of the programs that we have, and I thought we would start off with baking and pastry. Can you tell us a little bit about the program?
It's good to see you. And yes, I'd be happy to tell you about baking and pastry. In Bake 110, we start with the basics, focusing on safety and sanitation, baker's math and conversions, measures and mixing methods. All the while we're preparing cookies and custards and eclairs and sauces, learning how to plate, getting ready for our first week of the student-run cafe in the desert building, where we serve lunch on Wednesday and Thursday afternoons. Bake 120, we get a little bit more into details, a little bit more study of new ingredients. We bake artisan breads, muffins, crepes, waffles, pancakes, Danish, croissants. And then in Bake 230, which is your second year, we explore specialty pastries, cakes, their assembly, decoration, a little bit of background on food allergies and food substitutions. And then in the last semester, we really kind of go out the stops and get really creative. We work with new sugar techniques, marzipan, nougaty, pastillage, marketing, and we basically have a really good time.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot. That's great. And out of that, how much is lecture and how much is hands-on?
In this classroom, it's a little unique. We're always in this classroom. We don't have a lecture room. So lecture happens in between stages of our projects. And then in conjunction with lecture, we have a little bit of problem solving, because not everything goes right every time. So we get together as a group and kind of assess what happened and how we could have made it better. But it all happens in this room. It's not a traditional classroom setting.
That's awesome. Yeah, very hands-on, definitely. And how long will it take for a student to finish the degree?
We have 3 levels of certification for the baking and pastry program. We have the basic technical, which is 2 semesters. With the addition of the sanitation class, you have Bake 110, 120, and sanitation. So that's a 15-credit certification. Then we have the intermediate technical certificate, and that requires an addition of a couple of electives and a math and an English class. Then we have our 2-year AA degree, and that includes a little bit more detailed classes like purchasing and a few other electives, so 60 credits in 2 years.
Great, it really gets you ready for those jobs. And talking about jobs, what kind of jobs can you get with the baking and pastry?
I'm really glad you asked that, because there are a multitude of jobs. It's not just about baking. So you could be an artisan baker, you could be a cottage baker starting your own business, you could work in restaurants, you could be in retail or research and development. We have 3 levels of certification with the ACF, which is the American Culinary Federation, which is pastry cook, pastry chef, executive pastry chef, and master pastry chef.
Wow, all the above.
Yeah, we can go as far as into food photography, food styling. It's wide open.
Great. And with those jobs, what is the start-off pay, the salary?
Basic pay for a starting baker is about $13 an hour, so about $27,000 a year. For a pastry chef, it falls between $46,000 and $77,000.
Wow, that's a good pay, definitely. And if a student or Gilbert needs more information, who do they contact?
Well, you can contact me, and my email is on the CSI website, or you can but I recommend that you take a look at this website, decide what level of certification you want to go to, and then plan a e-SOAR event, and talk to your focus area advisor, and after that they get with me and we meet with them.
Great, awesome. Thank you so much, Pandora, for that information. And this smells so delicious. Can you tell us a little bit what Gilbert's going to be doing here?
Well, I have some yellow cake cupcakes and some German-style buttercream, which is a pastry cream base and whipped butter. And we're going to show you how to pipe icing onto a cupcake. So you're just gonna take your cupcake, place it where you can see it, take your dominant wing and squeeze the bag with that. And this hand doesn't really squeeze the bag, it just kind of guides it around the edge of the cupcake. So you're just gonna squeeze, and then when you get it all filled in, release. Doing great. Good job. Thanks, Gilbert.